Welcome to our ultimate roundup of must-have kitchen gadgets. These are designed to make cooking, cleaning, and meal prep effortless. Don't forget to check the product links in the description and subscribe for more amazing finds. Let's get started. Pisol Kitchen Gadgets Set. Revolutionize your cooking with the Pisol Kitchen Gadget Set. This all-in-one set includes tools for peeling, slicing, and whisking, perfect for simplifying meal prep. Crafted from high-quality materials, these gadgets ensure durability and efficiency. Whether you're an amateur or a pro chef, this set has something for everyone. Say goodbye to cluttered drawers and hello to organized cooking. Transform your kitchen today. Buy from the link below. NutriBullet Baby Food Making System. Make fresh, nutritious baby food effortlessly with the NutriBullet Baby Food Making System. Its user-friendly design allows you to puree, blend, and store homemade baby food in minutes. BPA-free and dishwasher-safe, it's perfect for busy parents. This system ensures your baby gets wholesome meals without preservatives. It even comes with storage containers for added convenience. Start your journey to healthier baby meals. Buy from the link below. FOTILE Countertop Steam Oven. Meet the FOTILE Countertop Steam Oven, your new go-to for quick, healthy meals. This sleek oven combines steaming, baking, and air frying, giving you versatility in the kitchen. It cooks evenly and retains the nutrients in your food. Perfect for everything from veggies to pastries, it's a must-have for any modern kitchen. The easy-to-clean design makes it even more appealing. Upgrade your cooking game today. Buy from the link below. AVINIA Digital Kitchen Timers. Never overcook a meal again with AVINIA Digital Kitchen Timers. These compact timers feature a large display, adjustable volume, and a magnetic back for easy placement. Ideal for precise cooking and baking, they're perfect for multitaskers. Its sleek design adds a modern touch to your kitchen. Whether you're timing a roast or boiling eggs, these timers are a lifesaver. Get yours now and stay on top of your cooking. Buy from the link below. Dash Ice Cream Maker. Create your favorite frozen treats with the Dash Ice Cream Maker. This compact machine churns out creamy ice cream, sorbets, and gelato in under 30 minutes. Easy to use and clean, it's perfect for family gatherings or late-night cravings. Experiment with flavors and impress your guests. Its sleek design fits seamlessly into any kitchen. Why settle for store-bought when you can make your own? Buy from the link below. Shark Robot Vacuum. Keep your kitchen spotless with the Shark Robot Vacuum. Equipped with smart navigation and powerful suction, it tackles dirt, crumbs, and pet hair effortlessly. Control it via app or voice command for added convenience. This vacuum is perfect for busy households, saving you time and effort. Its sleek design fits under furniture, reaching hard to clean spots. Say goodbye to manual cleaning and hello to spotless floors. Buy from the link below. UHIYEE Garlic Press Grinder. Effortlessly crush garlic with the UHIYEE Garlic Press Grinder. Made from durable stainless steel, it's rust-proof and easy to clean. Its ergonomic design ensures comfort during use, making it ideal for daily cooking. Save time and energy while getting perfectly minced garlic every time. It's compact and easy to store, a must-have for garlic lovers. Elevate your cooking with this handy tool. Buy from the link below. The Negg Egg Peeler. Peeling eggs has never been easier with the Negg Egg Peeler. Simply add water, shake, and watch the shell slide right off. It's perfect for hard-boiled eggs in salads, sandwiches, or snacks. This compact tool saves time and frustration, making it a kitchen essential. Lightweight and dishwasher safe, it's great for home or travel. Say goodbye to messy egg peeling. Buy from the link below. Wolf Gourmet Electric Griddle. Cook like a pro with the Wolf Gourmet electric griddle. Its precision heating ensures evenly cooked pancakes, bacon, and more. With a non-stick surface, cleaning up is a breeze. Ideal for breakfast or brunch, it's a versatile addition to any kitchen. The sleek stainless steel design adds a touch of elegance. Perfect for family meals or entertaining guests. Make cooking fun and effortless. Buy from the link below. Chef IQ Smart Meat Thermometer. Cook meat to perfection with the Chef IQ Smart Meat Thermometer. Pair it with your phone for real-time temperature monitoring. Its guided cooking system ensures restaurant quality results every time. Perfect for grilling, roasting, or smoking meat. Compact and rechargeable, it's a modern chef's dream. Elevate your cooking with precision and style. Buy from the link below. Chefman Digital Toaster. Enjoy perfectly toasted bread with the Chefman Digital Toaster. Featuring multiple browning levels, it suits every preference. The wide slots accommodate bagels, waffles, and more. Its digital controls make it easy to use and precise. Modern and stylish, it's a great addition to any kitchen. Start your mornings with the perfect toast. Buy from the link below. SYLVOX Kitchen TV. Upgrade your kitchen with the SYLVOX Kitchen TV. Designed to fit under cabinets, it provides entertainment while you cook. With crystal clear display and smart features, it's perfect for streaming recipes or shows. Sleek and compact, it blends seamlessly into your kitchen. Make cooking more enjoyable and interactive. Buy from the link below. Monument Grill's Smart BBQ Grill Master. The art of grilling with the Monument Grill's Smart BBQ Grill. Equipped with Bluetooth connectivity, it monitors cooking in real time. Perfect for steaks, burgers, or veggies, it's ideal for any BBQ enthusiast. Durable and stylish, it's built to last. Impress your guests with perfectly grilled meals every time. Make your BBQs unforgettable. Buy from the link below. Sugelary Washing Machine Cleaner. Keep your washing machine spotless with Sugelary Washing Machine Cleaner. It eliminates odor, residue, and buildup, extending your machine's life. Easy to use and highly effective, it's perfect for front and top load washers. A clean washer means cleaner clothes. Maintain hygiene effortlessly with this must-have cleaner. Buy from the link below. OTOTO Apple Peeler. Make peeling apples fun and easy with the OTOTO Apple Peeler. Its quirky design and efficient function make it a kitchen favorite. Perfect for pies, salads, or snacks. It saves time and effort. Compact and durable, it's easy to clean and store. Add a touch of fun to your kitchen. Buy from the link below. Ocean One Automatic Pasta Maker. Enjoy fresh pasta at home with the Ocean One Automatic Pasta Maker. It mixes, kneads, and extrudes pasta in minutes, simplifying meal prep. Experiment with different shapes and flavors effortlessly. Compact and stylish, it's perfect for any kitchen. Elevate your pasta game with ease. Buy from the link below. CRIVERY Drain Basket. Streamline your cleaning with the CRIVERY Drain Basket. Its multifunctional design acts as a colander and a storage basket, perfect for rinsing veggies or organizing your sink space. Durable and easy to clean, it's a kitchen essential. Simplify your chores and enjoy hassle-free cleaning. Buy from the link below. East Oak Smokeless Fire Pit. Bring warmth to your backyard with the East Oak Smokeless Fire Pit. Its innovative design ensures minimal smoke and maximum comfort. Perfect for cozy evenings or outdoor gatherings. Durable and stylish, it's easy to set up and clean. Enjoy smokeless fires with friends and family. Buy from the link below. Zyliss Cheese Grater. Grate cheese effortlessly with the Zyliss Cheese Grater. Its ergonomic handle and sharp blades ensure smooth grating every time. Ideal for salads, pizzas, or pasta. It's a must-have for cheese lovers. Compact and dishwasher safe. It's perfect for daily use. Make every meal cheesy and delicious. Buy from from the link below. Dash Rapid Egg Cooker. Cook eggs perfectly with the Dash Rapid Egg Cooker. Boil, poach, or make omelets in minutes with this handy gadget. Compact and easy to use, it's perfect for quick breakfasts or meal prep. The auto shutoff ensures safety and convenience. Simplify your mornings with this excellent tool. Buy from the link below. These incredible kitchen gadgets are here to make your life easier and more enjoyable. Check the links in the description to shop now. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing finds. Happy cooking!